how to download and install LinkedIn. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install the LinkedIn app on your device. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap search icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on the search bar. Search for LinkedIn as shown on the screen. Select the first search result for LinkedIn. Tap on the install button. LinkedIn app will begin downloading and installing on your device. Please note that the installation time may vary depending on your internet speed. Please be patient. Once the installation is completed, you can start using LinkedIn app on your device. Simply tap open, give all the necessary permissions, then log into your account if you have one or sign up for a new account. After that, you will be all set to use LinkedIn. And boom, you have successfully learned how to download and install LinkedIn on your mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.